Hello, and welcome to our last Monday Assembly for the 2019-2020 academic year. It has been a strange one, hasn't it? But I'm so proud of how well everyone has taken to the challenge that we've had over the past few months. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you our last precept, rule to live by for this school year. This school year has been about respect and kindness and being able to persevere and show lots of resilience, and you've shown that over and over again. But today's precept is one that I want you to think about and use throughout the whole of the summer holidays, and it's going to form part of this week's challenge. Everywhere you go, leave a glitter trail of kindness behind you. Kindness can be seen in so many different ways. It can be seen through the words that you say and the actions that you do. It can come across even just with your facial expressions or how you are as a person. Sometimes we don't always get what we want, and that can be hard, and it can make us feel very frustrated and angry and mad. But we need to remember that we need to be patient, and we need to spread kindness, because the more we show kindness, the more kindness there is in the world, and the more kindness there is in the world, it makes it a better place to be. I want you to really remember that. We show respect for ourselves, we show respect for others, we show respect for our community and our environment, and we can do that through kindness. So this week, our challenge is, I want you to think, I just want you to take a little bit of time and think about what you can do this summer that will spread a little bit of kindness in our community or in our family. And then once you've done that, I want you to show me or tell me in some way. Draw me a picture, make me a video, make a model. However you want to show me, I want you to show me how you're going to show kindness to the people around you, so that when we come back in September, and we will come back in September, we're all going to feel so wonderful, not only about others, but about ourselves, because when we're kind, it makes us feel better about the things around us. So, the challenge is for you to think about how you're going to show kindness this summer holidays. And I want you to share with me how you're going to do that. Maybe somebody will write me a poem. It doesn't matter. I just want you to share how you're going to do that. You can send it to me on Twitter, or you can send it to your teacher and ask your teacher to send it to me, and we'll get it into our last assembly that we have on Friday. Now, just before I go, I want to remind parents that on Friday I sent out a letter and I made a video of it about how things may look like in September. There are lots more that I need to tell everybody, but we're still planning it, and things still may change over the summer holidays. So as we get closer to the first day of school, which will be the 9th of September, I will put another video. We'll do another video and another letter so that you'll be able to see what it looks like and know what we're going to have to do that looks a bit different. All right. Until Friday, think about kindness. Think about what you're going to do this summer to share and spread kindness and show the respect that we've learned about this year. And I'll see you on Friday.